Okay, so to create our model class, first of all we need to, well, save this file. I'm gonna save it as model. Oh, not in this directory. Let's go back to htdocs and add some more folder named MVC tutorial. That's when I'm gonna save this file. So model.php. Okay, it's saved up. Now I can start my PHP block. I am using Sublime Text, so all I have to do is type PHP and press tab. Now I've got my PHP block. So to create class, I need to type class and its name. So it's gonna be called model. And now I need to open and close parentheses. In our model class, we need to initiate certain properties. Those will be public properties, so let's type in public. First property will be named DB. It's gonna stand for database and it's gonna hold our database connection. Next property will be SQL, which is gonna hold our SQL query string. Well, next we need to initiate properties named local table, foreign table, and polymorphic table. Those properties will refer to our relationships, and well, to be more precise, to our relational queries. Next, we need to initiate properties named local key and foreign key. Now we need to initiate property named relationship, and it's gonna represent the type of our database relationship. Well, for more information about database relationships, watch my other video that is on my channel. Okay, now we need property that's gonna indicate if we want to perform any operations on our pivot table. So let's call it pivot, and initially it's gonna hold false value. So false, and we also need property named loop through results. So loop through. It also will initially hold false value, and it's gonna represent or indicate if we want to loop through the results that we obtain from our database. Oh, and I need to correct my mistake. It shouldn't be semicolon here, but comma. Okay. Now we need property for our where string that we will use in building our database queries. And we also need to create an empty array called where values, and it's gonna hold all the values that will be bind in our PDO query method. Now we need to add property that's gonna hold all of our results that we're gonna obtain from our database queries. So results, and we also need a property that's gonna hold our temporary results, that after we get new results, we combine to create a new result set. So temporary results. We also need property that's gonna indicate if you want to merge all old results with the new results. So merge, it's gonna initially hold also false value, and we need to add property that's gonna hold number of results that we obtained from database, and I'm gonna call it count. Okay, those are all the properties that we are gonna need in our model class. So now I have to add semicolon.